Goa, a place I've always felt connected to. A place where I first traveled in just 5,000 rupees and now 2 years later upgraded my budget to 25,000 rupees. I've experienced Goa for all the beauty it has to offer, and my aim with this vlog is a bit different than the vlog series I made 2 years ago with my friends. Last time the focus was a mix of memories and fun my friends and I had in Goa. This time, the focus would be on how you can experience the best parts of Goa. It's 11:30 a.m. and we just reached Mobor Beach. And Mobor Beach is really pretty. If you can see behind, वहाँ पे Christmas tree है. I don't know if that's a resort or a shack, like a really fancy shack, but that is beautiful. और why I really like this beach is, यहाँ पे तो water sports है ही, and it looks cleaner. पहली बात, the sand is pretty, and वो side if you can see there are a lot of trees and all, and like the greenery is beautiful. So basically if you want to take pictures and you want to take Polaroid pictures or whatever it is that you want to do, that place looks really cool. You can play volleyball and I'll see शायद से हम लोग water sports यहाँ पे try करेंगे, and it's definitely better than Kolva beach, क्योंकि Kolva beach वही वैसा ही होगा कि बहुत crowded था. It's good and all, but this is better. So that's the thing, right? कि मेरा preference ऐसा है कि जहाँ पे crowd उतना नहीं हो, that's the place that I really like. रात को if you want to chill and all, that's when I like places like Kalangut, Baga, Kolva. But when you want to swim, when you want to do, let's say, water sports, or just chill at the beach, I would like something like this where there is utna crowd nahi hai and you can really have a good time. So we had Mike Oasis Love Shack. So the Virgin Mojito is really good here. Like the typical food vlogger वाला मैंने scene capture किया अभी. I think so Virgin Mojito आपको 150 में मिल रहा है and it's pretty good. Sorry, 180 में I think so you're getting a Virgin Mojito. Bit on the expensive side, but see shacks in general they will always be expensive, right? Because they are extremely next to the beach. The food here मेरे को quantity कम लग रहा है. I taste करके I will let you guys know if it is good. But see quantity wise the food will be less I believe, क्योंकि मुझे दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. But if you just want to come here chill, एक Virgin Mojito तुमको coke पीना है, जो भी whatever you guys drink, and then you can sleep and read books or whatever. So Mike's Oasis Love Shack is something that you can try. So whenever you come to Goa, it's a hassle finding a good resort or a good hotel. और तुम लोग सोच नहीं सकते हो, हम लोग ने इतना रिसर्च किया है ना यार. Booking.com हो गया, Agoda, क्या बोलते हैं, Make My Trip, Airbnb, we have searched everything. Like मैं बोलने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ ऐसे कि यार सिर्फ vlog के लिए. Literally it took us 3 to 4 hours we were sitting every day just to find a good place. क्योंकि क्या होता है December में ना, it's extremely hard to find a good place in Goa. That's the thing. So a normal resort in like March or something would charge you comparatively like 2,000 3,000 less. Literally that's the price difference. बहुत price difference हो जाता है. December is like the peak month for Goa. So honestly कभी December में आना मत. That would be my honest suggestion. But if you do come, we stayed at resort Paloma Day. Probably expecting नहीं किया था that this resort would be so good. See, I have a thing कि if you're paying, let's say we pay 2,500 per day, right? And honestly December में ये normal rooms का price हो जाता है. If in March में you come थोड़ा off season, 2,500 per day में you can get an extremely like good looking resort or a good looking room. With Paloma Day, I was skeptical because मालूम ही नहीं ना कि क्या मिलने वाला है, room कैसे होगा, service कैसे होगा. First things, the room was clean. ठीक है, so I was like ठीक है. The room is a bit small because starting हम लोग को ground floor का room दिया था and the room small था, but then I think was कि अभी क्या ही कर सकते हैं. Later, you know, we came to know that the owner Chetna, she was the one who was sitting at the reception because it was apparently her receptionist का birthday था. So the owner was sitting and she helped us. You know, she told us if you guys want to eat good food, go to like Little Banana, or she gave us a list of restaurants that we could go at. And then we told her that is it possible for us to get room on the first floor or the second floor, like थोड़ा एक balcony वाला हम लोग को एक क्या होता है room चाहिए. And she was like, you know what, I will go and check. See, normally कितना easy होता है ना सिर्फ बोलने कि यार हाँ मैं check कर दूंगी, and then obviously you don't get that kind of service. But she checked, and on I think so 15th December, one day before we had to leave, we got a good room on the third floor, and then, as you can see, यहाँ पे balcony है, you can आराम से. So on our last day, basically, we asked for an upgrade नहीं बोल सकते, but we wanted a balcony, view room. So they gave us a room on the third floor, and this is how it looks. ये देखो, you got your bed here, and ये आर्ट हम लोग ने हमारे लगेजेस यहाँ पे रख दे हैं. And see, AC got them, and this is the washroom. So the washroom is pretty spacious. ठीक है, ये कहाँ पे जाता नहीं है basically. I think so वो side भी और एक room है, so they always lock it from both the ends. And this is a cupboard, and here this is the view basically, which I like. यहाँ पे this is the balcony, and this is the swimming pool. So see, because basically every place that I stay, right, imagine thoda sunlight यहाँ पे आ रहा है, you can sit here, read your book. Those are the kind of places that I really like. And maybe if you're getting bored, you can just see here, या फिर बाहर भी जाके तुम देख सकते हो. But this side there isn't much to watch. But still, अगर you want थोड़ा sunlight or something, you can just come here. But honestly speaking, देखो ये सब कुछ है नहीं भाई देखने को. And the service was so nice. So my friend Sarah, देखो चप्पल टूट गया था. ये चप्पल टूट गया. So this चप्पल right here is literally owner का चप्पल, चेतना चप्पल. And she told her कि you wear these चप्पल्स. और she gave her a list, मतलब बहुत सारे चप्पल है, तुम चूज करो तुमको कौन सा चाहिए. And then later you go and buy and तभी दे देना. And दे देना also उसने तो ऐसे बोला भी नहीं, but वो थोड़ा obvious बात होती है. And see, the best part is about this thing, right? अगर तुमको पलोमा दे आना है, you have good rooms, you have clean rooms, you have an AC, you have Wi-Fi, and even on all the floors there is क्या बोलते हैं CCTV camera. So we think ना कि security है कि नहीं, तो security भी है. The service, even the people who work here are extremely sweet. तो तुमको अगर breakfast भी चाहिए, see we pay 2,500 and 2,500 we got breakfast also. The thing is they don't have gas, they have induction, so you can't expect a lot of stuff, but you can easily expect the basic things. Egg burji हो गया, omelette हो गया, chicken sausages, chai, coffee, bread and butter. So that thing is done at 2,500 rupees. And obviously it depends on when you're coming here. The prices will go down or they will go up, or you can directly call her and you can talk with her. Now that depends on तुम लोग का bargaining skills कैसा है. All in all, this place is really good. So if you guys are coming to South Goa and you want to stay at Kolwa, stay at Paloma de Resort. That's my honest ऐसा suggestion. क्योंकि मैं कुछ ऐसा ये sponsored नहीं है. That's the thing about being a small YouTuber है. कोई तुमको ऐसा पैसे नहीं दे रहा कि यार ये बोलो वो ना. जो भी तुमको वीडियोस दिखता है, that is this, we go there, we are spending our own money, और हम लोग की जो experience है we are telling you guys. So there is no malice in our hearts. हम लोग को कुछ added advantages नहीं मिलता है to talk good about some place. So if we are talking good about that place, most of the time it is good. Also see, I know a lot of foreigners जो रहेंगे या फिर Indians वो लोग बोलेंगे कि mosquitoes का problem है. See, we didn't face that problem firstly because you have to be aware कि तुम कब डोर बंद कर रहे हो, तुम डोर कब खोल रहे हो. सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. इफ यू कीप ऑल योर बालकनी सब कुछ ओपन, सो सब मस्कीटोज आ ही जाएगा. दिस इज एज यू कैन सी थोड़ा फॉरेस्ट टाइप है. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ ट्रीज इन गोवा. द क्या बोलते हैं, द सीनरी, एवरीथिंग इज लाइक दैट, जहाँ पे मस्कीटोज और इंसेक्ट आ सकते हैं. दैट इज बेसिक. सो यू हैव टू बी अवेयर अबाउट दैट. एंड ऑल इन ऑल दैट्स इट. और तुमको चाहिए तो ओडोमॉस लेके आओ. और द थिंग इज, रूम में ना तुम्हारी सब बेसिक कम्युनिटीज है. तुम्हारा वाटर हीटर है, गीजर. ओ भाई 24/7 आई एम टेलिंग यू, गीजर इज अ ब्लेसिंग because apparently I think so they work on solar. So all in all, I think so you all can go to Paloma Day Resort. That there is snow.
Snow is photo conscious.
Video conscious.
Phone is heavy.